Good morning and welcome to day 2 of this ride. The time now is 9:15 and we all got up at around 8 something. The plan is to have breakfast in Belgaum and head towards Goa. So we're looking for some place where we can have breakfast. This looks like some clock tower of Belgaum. Pioneer Bank. अच्छा Pioneer Bank. All streets of Belgaum here. कुछ मार्केट एरिया है शायद बेलगाम का. लेफ्ट है. We just had puri bhaji and we are thinking of going through the Amboli Ghats because अभी तक जितने बार भी by road हम गोवा गए तो we've been through the Chorla Ghats. अभी ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं हुआ. The time is 9:50 तो we thought we'll take the Amboli Ghats for a change and difference भी ज़्यादा नहीं आ रहा. It's just about 25 kilometers. वैसे 25 kilometers in the Ghats ज़्यादा ही होते लेकिन कैसा लेफ़्ट राइट लेफ़्ट है तो we thought कि we'll take the Amboli Ghats for a change. Amboli waterfalls, Amboli Ghats पे कुछ waterfalls and scenes and वो देख लेते जाएंगे. So if we take the Amboli Ghats to our hotel in Kalangut, it is as per Google it is 143 something kilometers and it will take us about 3 hours 45 minutes to reach the hotel. उसके बाद प्लान इज़ कि अगर टाइम है तो we'll go and see Kari Satari today. There's a friend of mine who recommended this place. तो वो बोला था बहुत अच्छी जगह है. Very few people know about this place, so I can go and explore Kari Satari at least the first day. And maps में देख रहे थे तो it's not very far from our hotel. It's just about 45 kilometers from our hotel. तो अगर होटल पहुँचने का सब जने जल्दी फ्रेश हो गए तो we'll go and see Kari Satari today itself. Look at these trees, these are so high. पीछे बहुत सारे थे ये. तो घूम रहे भाई बस महाराष्ट्र में. अच्छे रोड्स हैं, छोटे छोटे गांव आ रहे, ग्रीनरी बहुत है, अलग अलग किस्म के trees and all. We've done 25 kilometers from Belgaum. I believe that it's another 30-35 kilometers to Amboli waterfalls. तो Amboli waterfalls देखना है फिर वहाँ से गोवा की तरफ निकल जाना है. The bike has been performing very good. Mileage अच्छा आ रहा. Bad patches of roads I have no issues. I'm easily able to glide through those bad roads at 45-50 kilometers per hour. I'm super impressed with the bike. सांप था, सांप स्नेक था. क्या मामा? स्नेक. हाँ? So I think we are in the Amboli Ghats now. And अभी एक सांप snake crossed the road from this side to the other side and unfortunately my GoPro was off वो टाइम पे. Somewhere in the middle of the Ghats and बहुत पैची है यहाँ पे रोड. यहाँ पे लोग साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं. बहुत पैची है रोड. पूरी स्पीड स्लो तो हो गई. वैसे भी we were not going very high speed लेकिन यहाँ पे और स्लो हो गए. Another 2 kilometers to the waterfall and this place Amboli looks so much like another hill station in Maharashtra, that is Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar में भी ऐसे ही you get these buildings यहाँ पे, you have these trees, छोटे छोटे mountains, hills here and there. ओए. Look at these bikes. just made for places like these. तो आई थिंक हम लोग आगे निकल गए. जस्ट स्पोक टू अ फ्रेंड, वो बोला कि पीछे ही है. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ द वाटरफॉल इज़ दैट, लेकिन व्यू वहाँ से बहुत अच्छा है बोल के बोले, तो वी आर गोइंग बैक. वैसे ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. बहुत सारे फैमिलीज एंड ऑल बैठे हुए हैं. ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. Another point on the way. Beautiful. This is Beautifuls. RX. So we are moving out of this place. The plan earlier was to go to the hotel, freshen up and go to Kari Satari today. But now we are thinking to go to Kari Satari first, see the place and then go to the hotel. That way at least ये रहेगा कि दिन के टाइम पे we'll be able to see Kari Satari. Because it is highly recommended by a traveler friend of mine. So all of us have agreed to go and see Kari Satari first. अगर टाइम रहा तो we'll also go to Arvalam Caves today only before we go to the hotel. उसके बाद ही we'll go to the hotel. The plan now is to ride for at least another 50 kilometers. सुजीत कितना है वो कैरी सतारी कितना है? So Kari Satari is 73 kilometers from here. The plan is to ride for at least 50 kilometers and then take a break. The time now is 12:20 and the ride has been pretty good. So, see you after some time. Look what we found. This I believe is the Amboli waterfall. So it's starting somewhere from there. And I think it'll go to the other side of the road. Let's have a look. Yes. How beautiful this will be during the monsoon, bhai. Seriously. This is the Amboli waterfall. Beautiful it is. अच्छी बात ये है कि slippery नहीं है. It's not very slippery, तो easy है चले आना. So that was the Amboli waterfall for you. बहुत अच्छी जगह है, चिल्ड पानी था, मस्त मुँह धो लिया हमला. and we've just started now. The next destination is Kerry Satari. The plan is to ride for at least 1.5 hours, no matter how many kilometers we do, but 1.5 hours, and then we stop for lunch. I believe we'll be very close to Kerry Satari by that time. Monkey family. भाई ये घाट्स पे चलाने का मज़ा ही अलग रहता भाई. दीज बेंड्स, दीज कर्व्स, जो मज़ा आता गाड़ी चलाने में, टू व्हीलर चलाने में भाई. ओहो. ठीक है, तो वी आर शिफ्टिंग बाइक्स. अभी I'll be riding this, the classic, for some time. अरे भाई साहब, very heavy. That's very high, this is very heavy. ओहो, enjoying life, हाँ, अच्छा. Man, every bend, every turn that we take is another view. Seriously, मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा भाई. Should I really stop recording or should I just go with it? Because every time मैं recording stop कर रहा हूँ, another beautiful view pops up. तो you're riding on. Wow, this is beautiful भाई. Lovely. There's a bridge also जो connect कर रहा उस lake पे. ओहो, बंद है. ओ, देयर इज एक्चुअली अ वे यहाँ पे. अरे वाह भाई. सी द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ राइडिंग अ टू व्हीलर. अरे अरे अरे, क्रेजी. वाह भाई. नो क्लू where we are, but this is amazing. ये बाइक the other side. So we had a little quick break over there. थोड़ा थम्स अप पी लिए, थोड़ा फ्रेश हो गए, and back on the road. So that little cafe owner over there, he said that the Goa border is another 10 kilometers from here. South. This is another place, lake kind of a thing that we just saw on the way. Oh, amazing bhai. Just check this place out. Beautiful, silent. Oh, this fish is in here. Can you see that? This fish is in here. There's just so many fishes, little fishes. Beautiful. चलो, let's get going. चलो भाई, वो लेक से निकल गए. God knows what the name of the lake is, but it's super beautiful. The water was nice and clear. अब भाई, without stopping, at least गोवा तो enter करेंगे भाई. Okay, so we have entered the highway. 2 kilometer Goa border. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Goa. Finally, after riding for about 700 kilometers, we enter Goa. Whew. Okay, so before we head to the hotel, we're going to this place called Kerry Satari. So shuffled bikes again. We are heading to Keri Satari now. अभी भाई exactly distance तो नहीं मालूम है, but as per the maps on my bike, we should reach Keri Satari by 4:20. Now we are somewhere in the interiors of Goa. वो हाईवे से मेन रोड से लेफ़्ट लिए एंड यहाँ से रास्ता बता रहा, तो वी टेकिंग दिस वे. देखिएगा कहाँ जाते. पूछते ढूंढ लेते we've come. I think यहीं पे कहीं पार्क करना पड़ेगा. And that's the bridge. How? So we're finally here. This is the place that has been getting a lot of attention from travelers lately. That's the bridge. There's all mountains everywhere. थोड़ा अंदर जाके देखेंगे how it is. So this is the point. This is just beautiful. There's villages over there. There's a village over there. Mountains वहाँ पे. Beautiful view. This, folks, is unbelievably beautiful. There's a river flowing there. There's water under this bridge. Not sure what purpose this bridge was built for. There are houses on either sides of the bridge. There are kids playing cricket over there. Mountains in the backdrop. Beautiful. Beautiful Keri Satari. Chalo, let's get back on the bike and get moving. So that was Keri Satari. अभी तो बहुत लेट हो गया. The time is already 6:20. तो Havalam Caves and Havalam Waterfall is dropped for now. अभी तो हैं 3-4 दिन, तो अगर टाइम मिला तो we'll go and see Havalam फिर से. Now we are just heading to the room. The room is in Calangute, 44 kilometers from here. कुछ plan नहीं है. We'll just go to the room and take some rest. Everyone's pretty tired. This is the Calangute beach, closest to our place.